Ever wonder what powers your phone or laptop? It's easy to focus on the big names you see on the outside, but the real magic often happens deep inside your devices, thanks to companies you might not even recognize. While Apple and Google get the headlines, companies like Micron Technology build the tiny, powerful chips that make everything work. Micron is one of the world's leading producers of memory and storage solutions, quietly fueling the digital world behind the scenes. Micron just had a breakout moment. Their stock soared after a blockbuster earnings report. Investors and tech insiders alike took notice as the company's value shot up, signaling a major shift in the industry. This isn't just about numbers, it's about being in the right place at the right time with the right product. Micron's leadership and innovation have put them at the center of a technological revolution. Thanks to the AI boom, Micron's specialized memory chips are suddenly in massive demand. These chips are essential for processing the huge amounts of data that artificial intelligence requires. AI, from ChatGPT to smart cars, needs serious digital horsepower, and Micron is supplying it. Their technology is the backbone for everything from advanced language models to self-driving vehicles. Their recent success is a direct result of the world's shift toward AI-powered everything. As more industries adopt AI, the need for high-performance memory only grows. Financial experts expected Micron to do well, but the company blew past all predictions. Their earnings not only impressed Wall Street, but also set a new standard for what's possible in the semiconductor industry. This isn't a small win, it's proof that Micron has positioned itself perfectly for the future. Their forward-thinking approach and relentless innovation are paying off in a big way. Their technology is now a crucial part of our daily lives, even if you don't see their name on your device. Every time you stream a video, store a photo, or use an app, Micron's chips are likely working behind the scenes. Micron's triumph is a window into the unstoppable momentum behind the AI revolution. As technology continues to evolve, companies like Micron will shape the future in ways most of us never see, but we all benefit from every day. Let's break down memory chips and see why they're so crucial to everything we do on our devices. Think of them as your brain's short-term memory, fast, active, and essential for multitasking. Just like your mind juggles thoughts, computers rely on memory chips to keep everything running smoothly, from switching between apps to loading web pages instantly. In computers, this is called RAM, or random access memory. It's the part of your device that temporarily stores information your system needs right now, so it can access it in a flash. It's the workspace where your device juggles apps, web pages, and photos. The more RAM you have, the more things you can do at once without slowing down. The more complex the task, the more memory you need, like cooking a feast on a huge kitchen island instead of a tiny cutting board. Imagine trying to prepare a 5-course meal with barely any space. That's what it's like for a computer with too little memory. Without fast memory chips, devices would crawl. You'd be stuck waiting for every click, every file, every photo to load, making even simple tasks frustratingly slow. Now, AI is like a master chef, handling massive amounts of data at lightning speed. It needs to process, analyze, and learn from information in real time, which demands even more powerful memory. Standard memory can't keep up with AI's demands. As technology evolves, the gap between ordinary memory and what's needed for advanced computing keeps growing. That's where Micron comes in. They make high-performance memory designed for these powerful AI systems. Their chips are engineered to handle the most intense workloads, ensuring nothing slows down. Their chips aren't average, they're specialized, ultra-fast, and built for the heavy lifting AI requires. This means faster data access, smoother performance, and the ability to tackle problems that were impossible just a few years ago. When you hear about Micron's success, it's because they're supplying the essential short-term memory for the world's most advanced digital brains. Their technology is at the heart of everything from cloud computing to self-driving cars. These chips let AI think, learn, and create at incredible speeds. They're the silent force behind breakthroughs in science, medicine, and entertainment. Micron's innovation is powering the next generation of technology. From smart cities to virtual reality, their memory chips are making the future possible. Their memory is the backbone of today's AI revolution, supporting the infrastructure that keeps our digital world running. That's why their role is more important than ever, because as our world becomes more connected and intelligent, the need for fast, reliable memory only grows. We're in an AI gold rush. Companies everywhere are racing to build the next big thing. All this AI magic happens in massive data centers, warehouses packed with powerful servers. Training AI models is like teaching them an entire library's worth of information, requiring weeks of intense computing. These data centers need two things: powerful processors and huge amounts of high-speed memory. The processor is the genius. The memory is the desk it works on. As AI models grow, so does the need for advanced memory. Micron supplies the high-performance chips these servers rely on. Tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are placing massive orders. This isn't a trickle, it's a tidal wave of demand. The surge in data center construction is fueling Micron's sales. Like selling shovels in a gold rush, Micron is profiting from the AI boom. AI doesn't just need lots of memory, it needs it fast. As artificial intelligence models grow larger and more complex, the demand for memory that can keep up with their rapid-fire calculations has never been higher. Traditional memory solutions simply can't deliver the speed and bandwidth required for today's cutting-edge AI applications. Enter High Bandwidth Memory, or HBM. This revolutionary technology is designed specifically to meet the needs of high-performance computing, making it a game-changer for AI. Think of regular memory as a two-lane road. HBM is a multi-lane superhighway. With more lanes, data can travel much faster and in greater volumes, allowing AI systems to process information at unprecedented speeds. HBM stacks memory chips vertically, creating a direct, ultra-fast connection to the processor. This vertical design is a major leap forward, reducing the distance data has to travel and slashing latency. It's like building a skyscraper with elevators instead of a sprawling building with long hallways. The result? Data moves up and down quickly, rather than getting lost in endless corridors. This design moves data at breathtaking speeds, exactly what AI workloads demand. The faster the data moves, the more efficiently AI can learn, adapt, and make decisions in real time. Without HBM, even the fastest processors get stuck in traffic jams. Bottlenecks slow everything down, making it impossible for AI to reach its full potential. HBM keeps data flowing, eliminating bottlenecks. It ensures that processors are always fed with the information they need, when they need it. It's now the gold standard for high-end AI servers. Major tech companies rely on HBM to power everything from advanced research to real-world AI deployments. Micron has become a leader in HBM, investing heavily in R&D. Their commitment to innovation is helping to push the boundaries of what's possible in AI hardware. Their latest HBM chips are praised for performance and efficiency, working seamlessly with top AI processors. These chips are engineered to handle the most demanding AI tasks, from training massive neural networks to running real-time inference. By mastering HBM, Micron has secured a premium spot in the AI supply chain. Their technology is now a critical component in the world's most advanced AI systems. They're not just selling chips, they're selling the key to unlocking AI's full potential. With HBM, the future of AI is faster, smarter, and more powerful than ever before. That's a very valuable key to hold, and it's shaping the next era of intelligent technology. Micron isn't alone in the HBM race. Only 3 companies, Micron, SK Hynix, and Samsung, can make these advanced chips. SK Hynix was the early leader, partnering with NVIDIA and grabbing a big market share. Samsung, with its vast resources, is also a fierce competitor. This rivalry drives all 3 to push the limits of technology. Micron's latest HBM chips stand out for speed and energy efficiency, helping them catch up and even surpass rivals in some areas. Now, it's a true 3-way contest, not just a 2-horse race. For big tech customers, this competition means more innovation and better prices. For Micron, it's proof they've fought their way to the top tier of the most important market in tech. Micron made a bold move. They left the crowded consumer market to focus on AI. They phased out their crucial brand, freeing up resources to invest in high-end, high-margin products like HBM. This pivot let them concentrate on what matters most: powering the AI revolution. By specializing, Micron accelerated its development of advanced memory, catching up to and even surpassing competitors. The profits from a single HBM stack far outweigh dozens of consumer RAM sticks. This forward-thinking strategy is now paying off as their earnings soar. Micron sacrificed a familiar business to chase a much bigger future, and it's working. They're now a specialist in the most valuable segment of the memory market. The proof of Micron's turnaround? Their latest financial report. Analysts expected good results, but Micron blew past every prediction. Revenue and profit were far higher than forecast, and their outlook for the next quarter was even stronger. This isn't a temporary spike. It's a sign that AI-driven demand is reshaping their business. Micron's HBM chips are sold out for all of next year, with much of the following year's supply already spoken for. Investors took notice. Micron's stock price jumped. The message is clear. Micron's pivot to AI is a resounding success. They're now an essential supplier for the AI revolution. The numbers speak for themselves. It's not just investors. Industry experts are raving about Micron's position. Analysts have raised their price targets, citing Micron's flawless execution in the HBM market. By focusing on AI and high-value products, Micron is transforming its earnings profile. They're no longer just a commodity supplier. They're a key enabler of the AI era. This shift makes their profits more stable and less vulnerable to industry cycles. The demand for AI servers is only growing, and Micron is perfectly positioned to benefit. Experts now see Micron as a true peer to SK Hynix and Samsung. Their latest HBM product has closed the technology gap. The HBM market is now a three-horse race, with Micron running strong. This chorus of approval validates Micron's strategy and bright future. The company's transformation is winning over even the toughest critics. Looking ahead, Micron's future is brighter than ever. The AI revolution is just getting started, and every new application needs more advanced memory. Micron's HBM chips are sold out well into the future, giving them rare business predictability. This lets them invest confidently in new factories and research. Their focus on AI insulates them from the ups and downs of consumer tech. Competition with SK Hynix and Samsung will stay fierce, but Micron is up for the challenge. AI-driven demand feels more fundamental than past tech cycles. Companies see it as a necessity. Micron's bold pivot and flawless execution have transformed them into a specialist at the heart of the AI revolution. Their memory chips are the unsung heroes powering our intelligent, connected world. Micron's recent success is just the beginning of an exciting new chapter.